let's explore some natural methods to treat suntan and uphold skin health. Sun exposure can often lead to tanning and skin damage, but with these simple remedies, you can nurture your skin back to its natural glow. Stay hydrated. First and foremost, maintaining adequate hydration is crucial for healthy skin. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day keeps your skin moisturized from within, aiding in the repair of sun-damaged skin cells. Aloe vera for soothing relief. Aloe vera gel is renowned for its soothing properties, making it an excellent remedy for sunburned skin. Applying aloe vera gel to sun-exposed areas helps to alleviate redness and inflammation, providing much-needed relief to sun-damaged skin. Yogurt and honey face mask. Another natural remedy for treating suntan is a homemade face mask crafted from yogurt and honey. This combination works wonders in moisturizing the skin and diminishing the appearance of sun-induced tanning. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, while honey locks in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. Regular exfoliation. Regular exfoliation is key to maintaining healthy skin and reducing the visibility of suntan. By sloughing off dead skin cells, you reveal fresh, radiant skin underneath. A simple DIY scrub made from sugar and coconut oil serves as an effective exfoliant, leaving your skin smooth and revitalized. Sunscreen protection. To prevent further sun damage and safeguard your skin's health, always apply sunscreen with a high SPF before stepping out into the sun. Sunscreen acts as a protective barrier, shielding your skin from harmful UV rays and minimizing the risk of sunburn and skin damage. Nutritious diet. In addition to external skincare routines, maintaining a nutritious diet rich in vitamins and antioxidants is essential for skin health. Incorporate foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts, which are loaded with vitamin C and E, into your diet to support skin repair and protection from sun damage. Stress management. Believe it or not, stress can exacerbate skin issues, including suntan. Practice stress-relieving techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to promote overall well-being and keep your skin radiant and healthy. Adequate rest. Lastly, ensure you get enough restorative sleep each night. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, including those in your skin. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to support skin health and recovery from sun exposure. Incorporating these natural remedies and lifestyle habits into your skincare routine can help you effectively treat suntan and maintain radiant, healthy skin. Remember to stay hydrated, soothe your skin with aloe vera, indulge in a yogurt and honey face mask, exfoliate regularly, and never forget the importance of sunscreen protection. With these simple yet effective tips, you can nurture your skin back to its natural luminosity and enjoy sun-kissed days without worrying about sun damage. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more skincare tips and tricks.